Hello there, welcome to Genesis Models. My name is Bo Waldron and welcome to another forum update. This is of the Lockdown GB 2020. As you can see, we have had another one finish. This is by Kitta Caboodle, and he did a 1/72nd scale Blotch MB200 by Smear. This is one in update 1 where I did show him actually building this, and as you can see, all nicely finished. So go take a look on the forum to see that in more detail. If we now go to the build section, we will see, do you know what, we've had a whole bunch more people sort of joining on this, loads and loads of builds going on. I've started building one as well, but you know what, still time for anyone to get in there. We've got plenty of time to do this. Starting off, if we just go to the top, we have Bitsa Doggy. He has started a Airfix 1/72nd scale Hurricane Mark 1. I do believe I built this one. It was quite a nice kit by Airfix. Did that a couple of years ago. As you can see, he's already started it. Remember, this is a GB that if you've got a kit that's already started, you can enter that kit. It doesn't matter, you don't have to start from the finish. And you know, it's all nicely sprayed up. We've got the gloss coat on there, the decals are on there. Hopefully you can see the pictures. He's doing some nice chipping effect, and you know, starting the whole weathering, bringing about some washes and stuff, you know, looking really cool. Hopefully should be seeing that quite soon, sort of the last little bits going on there, and a matte coat, and that should be, you know, pretty finished pretty quick. We then do have who is this? We've got Gajung. He is building a 1/72nd scale MiG-29 SMT. This is by Zvesta. As you can see, he's already made a start as well. Got some nice reference stuff here with a nice book to go with that. As we move down, you know, it is all nicely built. I'm assuming all this black spray paint is potentially from filling, sanding, scribing, and he's whacking the black paint on just to see what his model's going to look like all sprayed before he goes off and primes it and finds mistakes. So always a good technique to use. Moving along with his weapons, and as we go down, nice instrument display panel here, all pretty much nicely all done, ready to go in. So he's moving along rather nice. We then have mine. I'm building some Team Yankee here. This is a Warrior platoon in 1/100 scale. Right, this is just a little hobby I've got on the side, and it's just something I find boosts my whole mojo, because when you're doing scale models day in day out, big models taking lots and lots of time, lots and lots of work, I do like to do a nice, really small, easy scale. It's just, you know, it's just a way of getting your mojo up. As you can see, builds really quick, really easy. Spraying's going to be really sort of nice, easy, simple weathering, and you've got a model built really quick. It's just something I like to do in my spare time. Then we have, we need to go back to page 1 here. We then have Remy. Remy's doing a 1/35th scale Tamiya ICM. This is the German Advanced Railway Vehicle P204F. Looks like a nice kit. Never built this one myself. Showing off, you know, the usual sprues and the instructions, but what amazing weathering this guy can do. I mean, look at this interior here. I mean, this isn't it yet, there's more to come, and it's just absolutely top-notch weathering, you know, using all the techniques and everything. You can sort of see in here, you know, he's got all that dirt going into the corners and stuff, and it's sort of a little bit cleaner in the middle. Absolutely fantastic, you know, can't really beat it. It's right up there. Nice bit of stowage and stuff on the sides, and then we move into the spray stage. Nicely sprayed up here as well. He also weathers this one really good. If we sort of go to page 2, we have this distressing effect. This is quite a nice effect in the sense that basically it's just all over chipping, which is rather cool. It really does give a nice sort of feature. I mean, it might look a little bit in your face at the moment, but as the weathering goes on, it does get knocked back a bit, but it really does give a nice effect. Hopefully, as you can see there, and the doors as well sort of makes it look a little bit more clearer. It really does give it a nice distressing effect. And as we move down, you know, the weathering starts going on. and that sort of chipping effect does sort of fade a little bit. You don't want it to fade too much, but it just fades enough so it's not too much in your face. And as you can see, the weathering sort of bringing it all together rather nicely. And as we go down, you'll see the weathering build up, and we get sort of washes. Absolutely stunning. I mean, here it is, getting close to being completed here, or maybe it is completed, but look at all that sort of nice streaking effects, washes, you name it, he's whacked it all in there, looking really spot on. Then it looks like he's building a diorama, because we've got all this stuff he's sort of brought in, and he started building away with this stuff, the miniatures, the wheelbarrow, looking absolutely smashing. So as you can see, we've still got loads and loads to get through, but I'll do another update and keep doing the updates, and do a couple each time and work our way down. But that's it for today's Lockdown GB update. Hopefully you've enjoyed that, but until next time, my name is Bob Waldron, this is Genesis Models, and I'll catch you later.